Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by powering the car to accessory so the phone system is live, then enable Bluetooth on your phone and make it discoverable. Once done, press the TT's TEL or menu button to open the phone or telephone menu. This triggers the car to search for devices. Make sure your phone's screen remains on and unlocked. This avoids timeouts. You'll see Search for Devices or similar on the display. Select that to start the pairing handshake between phone and Audi. When the car finds your phone, you must select the Audi device name on the phone to proceed. Do this promptly. The system will show a 4-digit PIN. Confirm that same number on your phone and in the car display so both units accept the match. If asked, permit the Audi to access contacts and media to enable hands-free calling and audio streaming. Take a breath and watch both displays. Successful confirmation usually shows a pairing success message and a connected status. You finish by testing functionality. Make a quick call and play music to verify audio routing and steering wheel controls. If needed, set your phone's Bluetooth output to the Audi and enable any auto connect or trusted device option so reconnection is automatic. Once everything works, save the device in the car's phone list. If you run into problems, reboot the phone and turn off then on the car accessory power. Then repeat pairing. This clears temporary Bluetooth cache and resolves most issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.